Hi students, now in this video we take the last concept of the chapter motion, that is uniform circular motion, right? So in the last videos, the 1, 2, 3 and 4 videos, we learn about only the uniform rectilinear motion, straight line motion, right? But in the this last video of this chapter, I take last concept of this chapter, not last video, last concept of this chapter is Hi students, so in this video we take the very important concept, that is uniform circular motion. So in the last video we discussed about the only straight line motion, that is rectilinear motion, but in this video I take the another type of motion, that is uniform circular motion, right students? So let us see here one by one. There are two terms are there. One term is a circular motion and one term is a uniform circular motion, right? So one by one let us discuss about what is mean by circular motion. Okay, first I take about circular motion, right? So here see, write down circular motion. Circular motion. Circular motion. So see here, if a particle, if a body or particle, if a body is move in a circle, move in a circle, move in a circle, okay, then move in a circle is called as, okay, that okay, is called as circular motion. Circular motion. So that is very important, remember. That is here, see, if a body is move in a circle, okay, right, circle, for example, like that circle, we know about circle. If a object is move in a like that, right, means what? The path of a travel is, the path is what? The path is a circular path, right? The path is a circular path. The path is a circular path, right? So it is a definition of a circular motion. Simple one. If a body is moving in a circle is called as a circular path. That is circular motion. It's called as a circular motion. It's called a circular motion. And in circular motion, the path is how like look like what? It is a circular path, right? Round path. It is a circular path here. Now let us come to the next point. What is uniform circular motion here? We know about the circular motion, simple concept. If a particle move in a circular path, it is circular motion, right? And again, what is uniform circular motion? So we know that our uniform circular motion, uniform nothing but what? Same or fixed or constant. Okay, there are different terms are there. Uniform nothing but same or fixed or constant. Let's see here. Uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion. So see, same definition. If a object is move in a, if a object or body is move in a circular path, okay, move in a circle or circular path, anything, move in a circular path with constant, or I also use or uniform, or also use fixed speed, is called as uniform circular motion, right students? So that is what the very important definition of a uniform circular motion. In the examination, may they ask about for 1 mark, what is by circular motion? So simple one, if a object is move in a circle or circular path, it's called as a circular motion. And in that circular motion, the speed of the velocity, we know that if the object is change its distance, but what? Change the distance, that is called speed. Rate or change of distance is called as a speed, right? When object is moving in a circular path, what happen here? Continuously change its distance from one point to one point. It change its distance. It travel from one point to another point. So distance changing. So changing distance nothing but what? Speed. Okay. So speed also is there. So that speed what? That speed is fixed at every point. At every point in the circle, maybe the particle is here, maybe the object is here, maybe the body is here, maybe the body is here, maybe here, or any point in the circle, any point on the circular orbit, the object having the fixed speed. Okay, the object having the fixed speed or uniform speed or a constant speed. So that is called the term as an uniform circular motion. So what is the uniform circular motion? A circular motion in which the speed is what? The speed is fixed. The speed is uniform. The speed is constant. Any one term you can use here. So very simple. So in examination, define uniform circular motion. Simple. If a body is move in a circular path, or if a body is move in a circle, alright, with a constant speed, or also use a uniform speed, or also use a fixed speed, and that is called as a uniform circular motion, right? So that is mean at every point in the circle the body having same speed, right? The same speed, and that same speed is called as an, also use the same speed, constant, fixed, uniform or same, and that is called as an uniform circular motion, right? Hope you understand this example. Okay, this is the definition here. Now take some examples here. Some examples where we observe such uniform circular motion here. So one example is object moving, right? One example is objects moving under uniform circular motion. Okay, examples are there. See example. So example one is motion of the moon and the earth. Okay, that is uniform circular motion. We observe that, we know that the moon is circular path, okay, having circular path, and that moon is revolve around this earth, okay, in the circular orbit. So that is example for uniform circular motion. So that is a motion of moon and the earth. Okay, moon rotate around the earth, it is circular orbit, and the earth around the sun, it is in circular orbit, right? So it is one example. Or also a satellite, okay, a satellite in a circular orbit, around the earth, right? Okay, this is, and again one is a cyclist, okay, one cycle tire is there, okay, that is called circular path. Okay, ceiling fan is there, that is also show circular path here. So these are some more examples of here see circular motions here. So one best example is, or famous example is the motion of the moon and the earth, our satellites around the earth. Okay, moment of the moon is there, the moment of the satellite is there, around the earth is in a circular path, right? And also the moment of the rotation of the earth around the sun is there, that is what the circular motion, or the motion of a planets in the solar system is example for circular motion. Okay, so uniform circular motion here. So these are what a different example of a uniform circular motion. Hope you understand definition, what is circular motion and what is uniform circular motion here. So let us start the another some important concept based on that one. So see here, one point we catch here, that is what in the uniform circular motion, again I write here, one point we fix catch here, that is what in uniform circular motion, speed is constant. Okay, constant. Speed is constant or fixed. Speed is constant. We also say that speed is same. Okay, speed is same. I use all terms. Speed is same. That is called uniform speed. Okay, that called uniform speed. Anything you can remember. Okay, speed is constant, or speed is same, or speed is here uniform speed. Okay, or speed is fixed. Speed is fixed. So that point you remember, right, in the circular orbit. So in the uniform circular motion, the speed is same. Speed is constant. So let us now discuss about what is about the velocity here. If the speed is constant, so what about the velocity of the particle? See here, I take a circle here. Now, I take a circle carefully. Listen here. I take a circle here, and I take a particle. For example, here particle or body P is there, right? Now see, we say that when the particle P is rotate, okay, move along a circle, it is cover what? It is covered a circular motion. It shows a circular motion, right? The particle move in a circle, it show a circular motion. Okay, that follow what? This particle follow circular motion. No doubt here. Okay, it is clear. Circular motion. And also the speed of the particle at every point is same. That is called as a uniform circular motion. Right? So that is we already learned here. Right? So it is that the particle P is moving in a circle. That is called as, that is show that this particle showing uniform circular motion. That is fixed concept. Now I know that the speed of this particle is same. Okay, what here? I know that particle, I write here the speed of particle. Speed is uniform. Okay, uniform. So I know about the speed of this particle, right? Speed of this particle. Now students, let us see. When the particle is start to move, show a motion in this particle, in this circular orbit. So we observe that at every point the direction of the motion is changes. So see, we not change the speed here. We not change speed here. We only see here the direction changes here. Speed is not changed. Why? Speed is fixed here. We not change the speed because in the circular orbit motion the particle move in a uniform speed. But we observe that when the particle is here, the direction of motion is like that, tangent to a circle. Like that, tangent to a circle. If a particle is here, for example, after time t, the particle is come here. Then what is direction? Direction is here. If a particle is come here, what is direction? The direction tangent to a circle, that is here. So observe that in the circular orbit, in the circular rotation, in the circular motion, the direction of motion is changes here. So one point I remember here, I write here, in a circular motion, or uniform circular motion, the direction of motion of a particle, of a body P is changes continuously. See, the direction changes. Okay, the direction changes here from this point to see here. Direction changes from here point, the direction is here, and this here point, the direction is here, and this point direction is here. When there is a change in the direction, what happened here? So see, when object change its direction during motion, then the velocity of the body P changes. See here, we get answer. So I ask one question, what is, if the speed is same, if the speed in the uniform circular motion is same, so what about the velocity? We observe that the velocity is not changed. The velocity is what? When the object is change direction it's double, it is there. When the object is change direction, double is the direction during motion, then the velocity of the object also change. Okay, speed is same but the velocities change at every point. You get the answer. Why velocity change? Because change in the direction. Right? So that is very important point to remember. In the uniform circular motion, the speed is constant. But the velocity is not constant. The velocity is changing. So one question arises, why the velocity change at every point? Because of change in its direction. Students. So get this point you have to be remember. Right? Now if see another point here there, if velocity changes, what does it mean? Let us recall the concept. Rate of change of velocity, what is it? So see here, direction changes, the velocity rate changes, change in velocity. So rate of change of velocity is called as acceleration. Right? So we see that the object, okay, we see that the point we have to remember, when the velocity, okay, write down, when the velocity velocity of an object changes, we say that object is or body is accelerating. Okay, so that is point you have to be remember, right? When the velocity of an object changes, so see here in the circular orbit, in the circular motion, due to the change in the direction, okay, that velocity changes. If the velocity changes, we say that the object is accelerating. Because of that, we know that if acceleration is nothing but change the velocity is v minus u divided by time. By this formula we say that if the particle is changed its velocity every point, this means that in the circular motion at every point the object is accelerating, the object having acceleration. So this is, students, the very important point you have to be remember, right? So this is very important point to be remember. So speed is same but the velocity is not same of the particle. Why? Because of change in its direction, right? So this point you have to be remember. Now let us please pause the video and write down this one. Okay, now come to the another concept. See here, now calculate the velocity of a particle moving in a circular orbit. Okay, calculate velocity of a particle in a uniform circular motion, uniform circular motion. Okay, so let us see here. We know that it is a circle, okay, and the particle moving in the this circle, that is called uniform circular motion. Now if a particle move from this point and travel through this and cover this whole circular, okay, like that, and come to the other point P, okay, it complete one rotation, okay, and for complete one rotation it take time T, okay, for rotation of one rotation of time taken for complete one rotation it is time T. So let us see, we know that velocity is equal to, velocity is equal to, what is velocity here? Displacement, rate of change of displacement, okay, displacement by time, okay, or speed distance by time. So see here, velocity is stand for v, right? And how much, see, a particle start from here and complete a one rotation, so how much distance is covered? That is called a circumference of a circle, right? The circumference of circle, so that is what the circumference of a circle divided by, for complete one rotation take time t, okay, take time t here. Now let us see, velocity v is equal to, what is circumference of a circle? That is what? 2 pi r and divided by time. So this is what the velocity of an particle in a circular orbit. So that is how we calculate the velocity of an particle, right, students? So this is what about the very important concept of the uniform circular motion. So in this concept you must be remember, in the uniform circular motion the speed is fixed, okay, that is we call it as an uniform circular motion. But we observe that in the circular motion the motion direction of a particle is changed at every point. So that is what, there is a change in the velocity, okay. If the velocity changes, what happens? The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. So in the circular orbit the velocity is changed, and due to the change of velocity the particle is accelerating. So 3 points you have to remember. One is speed is fixed and change in the velocity, and due to the change in the velocity the body is accelerating in the uniform circular motion. So these are very important point here which you must be remember, right? Let us take one example which is based on this uniform circular motion, students, okay, where we use this formula to calculate the velocity, okay. So let us see one example. Okay, students, now take this question here. Athlete complete one round in a circular, okay, it is based on this circular motion is there. So I can take a circle is taken, so see, and a object in the circular track, and the diameter of their circular track is how much? It is 200 meter, okay, right? And if the athlete start from here and complete one round in 40 seconds, so see here, distance covered in 40 seconds, distance covered in 40 second is equal to 2 pi r circumference, one round circumference, and distance covered in 40 seconds. See here, diameter given, so we know that 2r is equal to diameter, so I can make in the place of 2r d, so there is pi d, right? So now let us see distance covered in 1 second. How much 1 second? So see here, d is equal to 200 as it is pi. For 1 second I can take 40 here, right? So I can get 1 second. So how much in 1 second? It traveled 200 pi by 40. Now I want to calculate for 2 minutes 20 seconds. So distance covered in 2 minutes 20 seconds. So see, 2 minutes 20 seconds, nothing but 2 minutes is 120 plus 20, how much it is? 140 seconds. Okay, 140 seconds. So I get, see here, for 1 second the distance covered is 200 pi by 40. For 140 it is how much? Into, right? For 1 second 200 pi by 40 means for 140 we take 40 into 140 into. So cancel, see here, 0 0 get cancelled. So we get 4 5 ja 20. So I get here 5 pi into 140. So we know that 5 into, what is pi here? 22 by 7 into 140. So see here, 7 1 7 2 40 0, how much it is? 5 22 into 20. So how much it is? 5 2 ja 10, carry 1 here, 5 10 10 11 into 20 20. So how much it is? If calculated in this one, we get 222 meter, 2222 meter. Okay, so that is what distance traveled. Distance how much traveled in 2 minutes? That is 242 minutes. He traveled a distance in 2 minutes 22 seconds. So distance is over here. So now what is displacement? So let us see. For 40 he make 1 round. For second 40 he make 2 round. Okay, so how many 40 present in 140 seconds? So see here, 1 round 40, 1 round 40, 1 round 40, 40 plus 40 plus 40, 120. Again how much remain? 20 remain. So see here, 1 round for 40, 1 round for 40, 1 round for this 40, and here 20 half round. So half, how much it is? 3 half round he make, means 1 round, okay, 2 round, particle here, 3 round, particle here, 3 half. Now particle here, the final position of particle is at B. Okay, so see here, I can make right here in 2 minutes, in a 2 minute 20 second, athlete makes 3.5, okay, 3.5 rounds, okay, 3.5 rounds. Therefore the final position is at B. Okay, therefore displacement is equal to, what is displacement here? The diameter displacement, simple, the diameter is displacement is equal to diameter of a track. Okay, so that is equal to how much diameter? 200. So that is 200 meter. Okay, so this is students calculation of here this problem. So this is very important problem on the circular motion. So here circular motion concept is clear and the whole chapter also clear here. Okay, clear. So let us see, I end this video in this concept only. Okay, in the next video I can make last video on this chapter, that is video number 6, and in that video I can solve some very important exercise question which is mixed, okay, which is maybe depend on circular motion, maybe depend on the linear motion. So we take last video in the next class, but this is the last problem of this video. Okay, so please solve this one. In the next video we can take some more problems and finish that chapter, that is motion, right? Okay, thank you so much.